Hello students, today we are going to revise from the first unit for the midterm test. Okay, let's revise now. Unit 1, the trick robot. First Roman letter, meanings. Okay, see here. First one, what is the meaning of the plead? Plead, it means request. Refuse, it means disagree or reject. Pleasant, it means happy. Active, it means energetic. Believe, it means accept as true. Draining, it means becoming empty. Excited, it means thrilled. Hungry, it means in need of food. Intelligent, it means clever. Intelligent means clever. Never, it means at no time. Relax, it means rest. Now we go to see the second Roman letter. Write the opposite of. So the first one, plead. The opposite of plead is refuse. Hungry, the opposite of hungry is full. Refuse, the opposite of refuse is accept. Pleasant, the opposite of pleasant is unpleasant. Relax, the opposite of relax is agitate. Useless, the opposite of useless is useful. Now we go to see the third Roman letter. Write the plurals of. First one, robot, it plural, robots. Robot, it will be changed into plural form, robots. We will add s to that singular noun. Okay, robot oda s add pandrom. Okay, next phone, it will be changed into the plural form, phones. We will add s to that singular noun. Okay, next battery, it will be changed into the plural form, batteries. Nouns ending in y, so we add ies to that singular noun. Okay, nouns ending in y, it has before it consonants. Okay வா, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒய்க்கு முன்னாடி கான்சோனன்ட் இருந்தால் அது ப்ளூரலாக சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்போது ஒய்யை எடுத்துட்டு என்ன ஆட் பண்ணணும், ஐஇஎஸ் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சாங், it will be changed into the plural form, songs. Okay, boy, it will be changed into plural form, boys. Nouns ending in y, y has before it vowel. yக்கு முன்னாடி vowel இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்ம we add only s to that singular noun. ஓகே, yக்கு முன்னாடி vowel o இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஓன்றது vowel. அப்போ அதோட நம்ம என்ன ஆட் பண்ணணும், இது ப்ளூரலாக மாறும்போது எஸ் மட்டும்தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ பாய், it will be changed into plural form, boys. As, as. Nouns ending in double s, nouns ending in ch, double s, sh, x. நம்ம உங்களோட இந்த ரூல்ஸ்லாம் புக்கில் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த ரூல்ஸை பாருங்கள். இப்போ நவுன்ஸ் எண்டிங் இன் டபுள் எஸ், ஓகேவா, டபுள் எஸ் இருந்தால் நம்ம ப்ளூரலாக மாற்றும் போது என்ன பண்ணணும், we add es to that singular noun. As, ashes. As, asses. Day, days. Nouns ending in y, it has before it vowel a, so we add s to that singular noun. Day, days. Year, years. Family, it will be changed into plural form, family. See here, nouns ending in y, y has before it consonant. yக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்குது, vowel இல்லை, consonant இருக்குது. ஸோ we add ies to that singular noun. y எடுத்துட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், ies ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, country, the same rule. Okay, we follow this same rule. y has before it consonants. ஓகே, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒய்க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்குது, கான்சோனன்ட் இருக்குது. ஸோ we add ies to that singular noun. ஓகே, gas, nouns ending in s, so we add es to that singular noun. Gas, it will be changed into plural form, gases. Doll, it will be changed into plural form, dolls. See the fourth Roman letter. Write the past tense of. First one, keep. The past tense of keep is kept. Buy, the past tense of buy is bought. Know, the past tense of know is know. Have, the past tense of have is had. Make, the past tense of make is made. Do, the past tense of do is did. Call, the past tense of call is called. Look, the past tense of look is looked. Want, the past tense of want is wanted. Help, the past tense of help is helped. Now we go to see the fifth Roman letter, answer the questions. Children, when you study the question with answer. Okay, இப்போலாம் படிக்கிறீங்களோ படிக்கும்போது கொஸ்டினை படித்து தான் ஆன்சரை படிக்கணும். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1. What kind of a boy was Vicky? What kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy and never did his homework on time. Okay, question number 2. Who asked the robot to charge the phone? Vicky asked the robot to charge the phone. Question number 3. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. Question number 4. How did Vicky change at the end? How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky said that he would do all the work himself. Vicky said that he would do all the work himself. Question number 5. What did you learn from this lesson? We should be active and not lazy. What did you learn from this lesson, children? We should be active and not lazy. Students, you must study these 12 lines of the poem. Okay, this is a memory poem, so you must study these 12 lines of the poem. Okay, now we go to see the poem meanings. Okay, glossary. Strong, it means powerful. Watch, it means look at or observe attentively. Smart, it means fashionable. Rack, it means shelf or stand. Zest, it means great interest. Children, you have to study the poem meanings also. Okay, now we go to see the poem question answer. Answer the question. See the first question. What does it sing? What does the robot sing, children? It sings a nice rhyming song. See the second question. How do the wheels go? The wheels go front and back. See the third question. Does it work its best? Yes, it works its best. Fourth question. How does it welcome all? It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Students, now we are going to see answers for the supplementary questions. Let's see now. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where did Anita go? Where did Anita go, children? Anita went to the Robot Expo. Where did Anita go? Anita went to the Robot Expo. Question number 2. What did Anita eat in the expo? Anita ate an omelette. Anita ate an omelette. Question number 3. What are the 3 parts of a robot? What are the 3 parts of a robot, children? The 3 parts of a robot are controllers, mechanical parts, sensors. Question number 4. What is the use of mechanical parts? Mechanical parts are the parts that will help the robot move. Let's say once again, children. What is the use of mechanical parts? Mechanical parts are the parts that will help the robot move. Question number 5. What robot will you make? Why? I will make a robot which knows cooking. I will ask it to cook healthy and tasty foods. உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரோபோட் செய்ய விருப்பமோ அந்த ரோபோட்டை நீங்கள் எழுதலாம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு மேக் kids robot, you will write I will make a kids robot because I want to play with it. அந்த மாதிரி எழுதலாம். உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரோபோட் எழுதணுமோ, என்ன ரோபோட் மேக் பண்ண விரும்புகிறீங்களோ அந்த ரோபோட்டை வந்து நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே. Dear students, what I have revised today, you must study for the midterm test. Okay, and also you will refer book exercise from page number 81 to 95 for the midterm test. Okay, book exercise 81 page number 81 லேருந்து 95 வரலையும் இருக்கக்கூடிய book exerciseம் நீங்கள் midterm testக்கு ரெஃபர் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் யூ வில் ரெஃபர் த கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட் ஆல்சோ. கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட்டில் என்ன எழுதி போட்டுருக்கணும் அதையும் நீங்கள் ரெஃபர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸ்டடி வெல் சில்ட்ரன், ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ.